Hey guys, I got myself this is a NUWAVE induction wok. It's a 14-inch wok with an induction surface, and there's a carbon steel wok. The reason why I like it is because it has a nice grip. It's electric, so I can actually plug this in anywhere and bring it anywhere too. And that's one of the major points, because for about a couple years, I've been using this awesome wok, and this is a carbon steel wok too. It's a 14-inch. Love it. However, I don't like it on the counter. So my counter with this wok is actually very, very tall. So when I'm cooking, it's actually hard to cook. So the oil splatters and everything else like that. But I love my high BTU burner and my wok stand. It works really well. However, I don't like the positioning where to lift up my arms in order to stir fry. So what I did was that I got this because it was a little simpler. I could actually move this to outside if I want to, let's say, cook something really, really messy. I could cook it outside in the patio, or I could bring it to a lower surface, like not counter height. If I look at both of these, they're about the same height. This is a little taller, but this is a little better because I could actually move this. So I could actually have it on a utility table outside or utility table at where my other appliances are, and I actually cook with a level, so I'm actually above the wok, so it's easier to handle and easier to cook with. Movement is actually below my arm movement, so it goes all the way up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, so it could sear a lot of stuff. Another good thing is that it has different wattages. Or if I'm using an RV, I could actually, just cooking at low power, I can actually cook with 600 watts. 900 watts, I can actually cook with pretty much everything. I can use 900 watts for most items, most cooking environments and stuff. And I could totally sear stuff at 1500 watts. It just heats up extremely fast. The oil and water comes to a boil like within a minute or two. It's very, very efficient in terms of heating the wok and the surface and everything else like that. The heating surface by itself, I'm gonna go ahead and there's a timer it could set and also change. I could also go down to as low as 100 degrees. So just to keep things warm. Very, very cool in terms of that. These dials are awesome, but all these things, as you can see, it turns on and there's a fan that goes on. It starts getting warm on the bottom and heats up that surface. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Another thing is that it's easy to clean. This is basically carbon steel, so I could basically just do a wipe down. It doesn't come seasoned. I basically seasoned it with some oil, some cooking oil, and wiped it a few times, and it becomes non-stick. So there's no harsh chemicals or anything. It's just carbon steel and cooking oil. So it's as simple as that. Very, very simple design. It's very, very portable, and that's the main reason why I got it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.